Stop everything. Right now, 6 stand mixers, all on sale, and the #1 pick is a KitchenAid Artisan, 46% off, nearly half price. KitchenAid, Bosch, Cuisinart, Hamilton Beach, Dash, all ranked, all discounted, from $58 to $499, every budget covered. These are flash deals. Some of them end today. Let's get into it. KitchenAid mixing action, half the price. At number 6, this is the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer, and it just made professional baking accessible to everyone. 300-watt motor handling thick doughs, heavy batters, bread, cookies, cupcakes, everything you'd make in a home kitchen. Planetary mixing action, rotating the beaters around the entire bowl for complete, even coverage. No stopping to scrape the sides, no uneven mixing. Just consistent results every time. 7 speeds. Slow first speed for kneading bread and adding dry ingredients without splashing everywhere. A mixing guide printed right on top, no guessing which speed to use. 4-quart stainless steel bowl with handles. Splash guard included. Dough hook, whisk, flat beater, everything you need in the box. All dishwasher safe. Built-in handle on top for easy lifting, swapping attachments, and storing away when you're done. Down from $568.99 to just $119. If you've been putting off buying a stand mixer because of the price, this is your sign. Comment below what's the first thing you'd bake. Under 5 pounds, under $60, fits under your kitchen cabinet. At number 5, this is the Dash stand mixer, and it just proved that a great stand mixer doesn't need to take up half your counter. 250-watt motor with 6 speeds ranging from low to high. Whip, beat, knead, frosting, meringue, dressings, doughs, baked goods. Everything a full-size mixer does in something that weighs less than a bag of flour. 10.4 inches tall, fits underneath most kitchen cabinets. Perfect for a first apartment, a smaller kitchen, or anyone who's been avoiding a stand mixer because they simply don't have the counter space. Fully tilting motor head for easy bowl removal and beater ejection. No mess, no struggle. Retro design in a variety of colors that actually looks good on a counter. Includes a 3-quart stainless steel bowl, 2 dough hooks, 2 mixer beaters, and a recipe book. All non-electric parts, dishwasher safe. Backed by a 1-year warranty from a US-based company. Down from $84.99 to just $58.99. 31% off right now. If counter space has been your excuse for not owning a stand mixer, that excuse just ran out. Like this video if the Dash is exactly what your kitchen needs. "12 speeds, die-cast metal, and it turns into a pasta maker, ice cream machine, or meat grinder." At number 4, this is the Cuisinart stand mixer, and it's the most versatile machine on this entire list. 500-watt motor, 5.5-quart polished stainless steel bowl, die-cast metal construction. This is not plastic. This is built to last decades. 12 speeds giving you precise control over everything from gentle folding to aggressive kneading. Tilt-back head for easy bowl access. 1 power outlet for optional attachments. And those attachments are where this gets interesting. Pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, spiralizer. 1 machine, endless functions. Chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout all included in the box. Available in 6 colors: silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, robin's egg. BPA free, backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Down from $495, they're at $10. Okits. 37% off right now. 1 machine that replaces 5 appliances. Visit the channel for more deals like this every single day. "59 touch points around the bowl, 8 dozen cookies in a single batch." This is KitchenAid. At number 3, the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 quart. And this is the mixer that has been in home kitchens for decades for one simple reason: it never lets you down. All metal construction built to last a lifetime. 59 touch points around the mixing bowl for complete, thorough ingredient incorporation every single time. Dishwasher safe. 10 speeds covering every task. Stir speed for gently combining ingredients. Speed 8 for whipping cream to perfect peaks. Everything in between handled with precision. Tilt head design for easy bowl access. Lock the head in place while mixing. No movement, no wobble. 10+ attachments available separately. Fresh pasta, burgers, veggie noodles, ice cream, and more. 1 machine that grows with your cooking. Includes 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, and 6-wire whip, down from $675.99. 41% off right now. KitchenAid at 41% off doesn't happen often. Subscribe to the channel. We find deals like this every single day. 34 dozen cookies in one batch, 14 loaves of bread in one go. This is not a home mixer. This is a machine. At number 2, the Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer, and it just made every other mixer on this list look small. Belt-driven transmission delivering serious torque for any recipe without breaking a sweat. 6.5-quart BPA-free bowl. That's enough for 34 dozen cookies or 15 pounds of whole grain bread dough in a single batch. This is the mixer for people who bake seriously. Dual beaters with triple whipping action. Whip as little as 1 egg white. Mash up to 10 pounds of cooked potatoes. Shred cooked chicken. This machine does things stand mixers aren't supposed to do. Bottom drive design for easy ingredient addition while mixing. Removable drive shaft for easy cleaning. Dishwasher safe bowl. Includes wire whips, dough hook, bowl, lid, splash ring, and Nutrimil dough hook extender. Optional attachments transform it into a complete kitchen machine. Slicer, shredder, meat grinder, citrus juicer, pasta maker, cookie and cake paddles, all sold separately. Down from $879 to just $499, 43% off right now. If you bake seriously, this is the only mixer you will ever need. Drop a comment. Bread or cookies first? This is the one, the mixer that started it all. At number 1, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart, and at 46% off, this is the best deal on this entire list. KitchenAid Artisan is not just a mixer, it's a kitchen icon, the machine that professional bakers dream about, and home cooks keep for life. Zinc die-cast metal construction, built to outlast everything else in your kitchen. 325 watts of pure mixing power. 5-quart stainless steel bowl, large enough for any recipe you'll ever attempt. Removable bowl for easy transfer and cleaning. Tilt head design giving you full unrestricted access to the bowl every single time. 10 speeds covering every technique from gentle stirring to aggressive whipping. Knob control, simple, precise, reliable. 120 volts, 10 pounds of pure machine at 14 by 8.7 by 13.9 inches. And then there's the attachment hub. Over 10 optional attachments turning this mixer into a pasta maker, meat grinder, ice cream machine, veggie spiralizer, and more. One machine, unlimited potential. Available in onyx black, and it looks incredible on any counter. Down from $919.09. 46% off right now. Nearly half price on a KitchenAid Artisan. 6 mixers, 1 list, and only one of them is a KitchenAid Artisan at 46% off. Link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel. New deals every single day. And that's today's top 6 stand mixers. All ranked, all discounted, all live right now. Every link is in the description. Scroll down, tap, done. These are flash deals. The moment the sale ends, prices go straight back up. Don't wait. We rank the best Amazon deals on this channel every single day. New products, new discounts, fresh rankings drop daily. If today's video helped you find the right mixer, hit the like button. Drop a comment. Which one are you getting? And if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing deals like this every single day. New video tomorrow. See you then.